Welcome to Krio Food Jam, where we get creative in the kitchen. In this series, you'll discover why Krio Krush seasonings are the absolute foundation for creating flavoursome and interesting dishes. We'll not only show you why, but I'll also divulge some of the secrets locked away in each seasoning. Krio's Laksa soup base is unique because it captures the flavours of Southeast Asia that you would expect in a laksa. So 100 grams of laksa soup base to 1 litre of water couldn't be more simpler. Bring the water to the boil and then we add the laksa powder. Whisk that up and just bring it back to the simmer. While that's coming back up to the simmer, we're going to take our noodles, which we've just got some egg noodles, some bean shoots. I'm going to place that in a bowl of boiling water just to blanch them. We don't want to cook them too long. We're just getting them warm. Now our chicken goes into the laksa, then our prawns into the laksa base, and the rest of our ingredients, the coriander, shallots and cucumber and the egg are our garnish on top. A bowl, I like to use a bit of chopsticks just to stir it up. As soon as our chicken and prawns are ready, our soup base is done. Prawns and chicken. Then we take our cucumber, some fresh coriander, some spring onions, the egg, which we're just going to cut in half, some coriander leaves and a few more spring onions, and then a wedge of fresh lime. And there we have our Krio Laksa.